Hey guys, today I'm back with these shattered glass nails. I was inspired to do these nails by the polish that I use. It's called Shattered Mirror from Super Chic Lacquer. And if you want to know how I did this design, keep watching. So I started off with applying that Super Chic Lacquer polish. And once that was dry, I just applied a no wipe gel top coat. And then just pop that in the lamp for a minute. And once that was done, I used these flakies from Twinkle Tea. I just wanted a bit more of a scattered hollow effect. So I just dabbed a little bit of that on my nails. And then just brushed it off with a fan brush. And then applied another smudge as no up top coat. Stick that in the lamp. And then with this Born Pretty plate, I stamped the shattered pattern in black. And stamp that straight on my nails. And then finally a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these shattered glass nails. I think these are so cool, they're like a hollow explosion. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And subscribe good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!